All right, scholars, so this is day 3, and today we're going to be focusing on this column right here of our power words. Okay, so if you want to pause the video and go through the other 2 columns from Monday and Tuesday, you can do that. And then we'll pick up right here in our 3rd column. So the first thing Miss Esther's going to do is I'm going to say the words, and then we'll come back to the top, and I'm going to let you say them, and I will say them as well. So here we go. Is, it, like, little, live, look, lots, love, me, my, know, of. All right, your turn. So you say the word, and then Miss Esther will say it to see if you got it right. Is, it, like, little, live, look, lots, love, me, my, know, and of. Good job, scholars. So again, you can pause the video and you can go through these words just to practice them, the ones that we've already gone over this week. Okay, today we're going to be reading a book called Caterpillars Love to Eat. And so these are our power words that will be in our story that we are going to be reading this week. So what I want you to do right now is go through each word. If you want to touch it on your screen, you can. So let's start here. Okay, next column. Great job. Last column. Awesome job. All right, so we're going to head over to our book. And at the end of this activity, you will be completing this picture map. So we have our words here that we will be learning in our story. And you will be drawing a line to the correct picture. Okay, so let's head on over to our book. All right, so we're going to be doing the same thing. I will read it first, and then you will have an opportunity to read it again by yourself. So here we go. Caterpillars love to eat. This is a butterfly. This is a caterpillar. This caterpillar is a baby butterfly. This is a butterfly egg. The caterpillar is in the egg. The butterfly has the egg on the leaf. The caterpillar comes out of the egg. The caterpillar eats the leaf. Caterpillars love to eat leaves. The caterpillar eats and eats and eats. The caterpillar will eat all the leaves. The caterpillar has little legs. It has legs to go leaf to leaf. The caterpillar is big. This is a chrysalis. So this is a chrysalis. The caterpillar is in it. It comes out. It is a butterfly. And so this is the life cycle of a caterpillar. So it starts as an egg, then it turns into a caterpillar, then it goes to a chrysalis, and then that goes to a butterfly. The butterflies lay eggs, the egg comes to a caterpillar, the caterpillar to a chrysalis, and then back to a butterfly. So it keeps going on in a continuous circle. These were our power words in this book. A, all, and, big, come, go, has, in, is, it, little, love, of, on, the, this, to, and will. All right, let's go back to the book and give you a chance to read it. So the title is Caterpillars Love to Eat. Awesome job, scholars. All right, so go to the Nearpod below and complete the assignment.